Respected parents and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will do Maths page number 9 to 14. Now open your book, page number 9. Concept of short and tall. Circle the object that is short and tick the object that is tall. Look at the first picture. Here, ladder and table. Which object is tall? Ladder. We will tick here. And which object is short? Table. We will circle here. In second picture, two bottles are here. We will tick the tall bottle and circle the short bottle. In third picture, candle is tall and burner is short. What we will do here? Tick the candle and circle the burner. Now, zip and chili. Which object is tall? Zip. Zip is tall. We will tick it and circle the chili. Now, in next picture, tree and plant. Tree is tall. Tick the tree and circle the plant. Now, a man and boy. Man is tall and boy is short. Tick the man and circle the boy. Now, in next picture, a flask and a cup. Which object is tall? Flask. Tick here and circle the cup. Now, in last picture, a juice pack and milk pack is given. And which picture is tall? Milk pack is tall and juice pack is short. Juice pack and tick the milk pack. Now comment on page number 10. Draw a shorter tree. Second is draw a taller ladder. Now comment on page number 11, heavy and light. We will do here the concept of heavy and light. Tick the object that is heavy, cross the object that is light. Look at the first picture. One car and aeroplane is given. Now which object is light? Car. We will cross here. And aeroplane is heavy. Tick here. In next picture, a turtle and a cow is given. And which object is light? Turtle is light. Cross here. And cow is heavy. We will tick here. Now come at next one. A kite and shoes is given here. Which object is light? Kite. And which object is heavy? Shoes. Cross on kite and tick on shoes. Look at the next picture. A key and a lock is given. Key is light and lock is heavy. So, cross on key and tick on lock. Comment on next picture. A table and a chair is given. Table is heavy. We will tick here. And chair is light. We will cross here. Next picture, a kettle and a cup is given. Kettle is heavy, cup is light. Tick on the kettle and cross on cup. Now in second last picture, a book and a leaf is given. Book is heavy and leaf is light. Tick on book and cross on leaf. In last one picture, a bear and a duck is given. Which object is heavy? Bear. Good. Tick here. And duck is light. Cross here. Comment on next page. Page number 12. Concept of heavy and light. Circle the objects that are lighter than you. Now look at the objects. Butterfly, table, bus, pigeon, pear, aeroplane, elephant, book. These objects are given here. Now we have to circle the objects that are lighter than we. Which objects are lighter? Butterfly, pigeon, pear and book. Circle these objects. Now we will do the concept of left and right. Look at the picture. You can see some shapes, triangle and square. Triangle are in the left, squares are in the right side, left and right. This is left side, this is right side. We will do the concept of up and down. Look at the picture. Aeroplane is up. Aeroplane is up and cat is down. Up and down. Now comment on page number 13 of your book, left and right. Question number 1. Draw a ball on the left of the bat. Question number 2. Color the right orange only. Question number 3. Follow the instructions. Color the pencil on the left green. Color the pencil on the right blue. Next part. Color the flower on the right red. Color the flower on the left pink. Now comment on page number 14. Directions. Help Ali reach his home by following the given instructions. 4 steps right, 3 steps downwards, 2 steps left, 3 steps downwards, 5 steps right. After finishing your work, say Alhamdulillah, Allah Hafiz, Fi Amanillah.